If you're resetting your home for the 47th time this week, you are not alone. I've learned that adulthood, and specifically motherhood, means cleaning up the same mess over and over and over again. And for me, having somebody to clean along with makes it so much more fun and enjoyable. And I hope that I can be that friend to kind of motivate you and keep you company as you're getting stuff done. So that's what we're going to do today. Grab a coffee, a water, some tea, maybe, I don't know, some wine, whatever you're in the mood for, and let's get some stuff done together. Now we are going to tackle most of the house today, but starting off in the bedroom, you can see this monster of a pile of actually clean laundry on the floor. It did spend the entire previous day sitting on my bed waiting to get folded, but it just sat there all day. And then the nighttime came and I was like, nope, I don't feel like folding right now. So it all got shoved on the floor. And most of it was still clean though. So I just popped that on the bed so that we can go ahead and fold that. And then anything that was on the floor that was dirty, I put that in the laundry basket. Now, you may have noticed that I'm cleaning in jeans, which is very much not typical for me. I am somebody who is in sweatpants or leggings 99.9% of the time. But these jeans are unbelievably comfortable. And I'm not going to lie, I kind of felt like the main character cleaning up my house in jeans. These jeans and the t-shirt are both from Quince, and I'm so grateful to be working with them on this video. As I'm getting older, I definitely find it more important to invest in higher quality basics that are not only going to last me longer, but also just feel nicer on my skin. And this t-shirt is 100% organic cotton. I got it in a 3-pack, so the white t-shirt, this navy one, and a black one, and it is just so nice to feel like I have these high quality basics in my wardrobe now that I can mix and match. This wool sweater, oh my gosh, I am not somebody who typically likes wool because it can be a little itchy. This is so soft, it is so comfortable. I love the high neckline. I just think it looks so put together and elegant, so I will definitely be wearing this all winter, as well as this white one, which is another 100% organic cotton sweater. Just the look of it is so pristine to me, and it feels like you pop it on, and even though you don't really try that hard because it's just a big comfy sweater, you look really put together. I'm also somebody who loves wearing bodysuits, and this is their Second Skin square neck long sleeve bodysuit. This is so buttery soft. And circling back to the jeans, these are their Bella Stretch wide leg jeans, and I can say that these are easily my new favorite pair of jeans in my wardrobe. They are so comfortable. I love how they're more fitted up top, but then they're wider at the bottom, and they have a ton of different colors, which is really nice. Now, probably one of my favorite pieces that I got is this cashmere, yes, cashmere sweater. The color just looks so elegant to me, and it is one of the softest sweaters I've ever worn. If you've ever worn cashmere before, you know how just comfortable and smooth it is on your skin, and this one is an unbelievably affordable price. So if you're looking to gift any sort of cashmere for the holidays, highly recommend checking this sweater out. Now, this sweater I've had for years. I purchased it on my own a while ago. This is their 100% organic cotton fisherman boxy cropped cardigan. I lived in this last year. You probably have seen me wear it in a few videos already on my channel. It is just so thick and warm and comfortable, and the material is incredible, like all of Quince's pieces. Their mission is really to make these extremely high quality and premium pieces, but at an affordable and accessible cost. And that's something that I can really stand by. And I think not only are these pieces great for yourself if you're looking to kind of level up your wardrobe, but also with the holidays approaching, getting somebody a really nice high quality sweater, I personally think is one of the best gifts you can give. So if you're interested in any of these pieces, I will have links to everything below, and just being completely transparent, I do get a small commission if you shop through my links. So if you do decide to do that, I want to say a huge thank you. That's Louie. He says thank you as well. And again, thank you so much to Quince for working with me on this video. Now, switching gears a little bit, I decided that I actually wanted to wash the bed sheets. So we're stripping the bed, and then we're going to go pop those in the washing machine. Okay, moving on to the nursery. I cannot tell you how many times a day I re-clean this nursery up. There are so many things that we do every single day and every single week that can become really kind of mundane and boring if you just go through the motions, like cleaning up the kitchen, mowing the lawn, going to the grocery store, these tasks that really are kind of unavoidable. And so one of the most powerful things that you can do is to switch your mindset to, instead of I have to do this task, I get to do this task. For example, instead of thinking of it as, oh, I have to do my laundry, it's I get to do my laundry because I have clothes to wash and I have access to a washer and dryer or soap and a sink to hand wash them myself. Pretty much anything that you have to do can be flipped to a get to mindset. And if you can consistently reframe your mind like that, and it will take practice, but over time you are going to notice you are so much happier in your everyday life. And now it's time to stock up our diapers. Tim and I did recently decide to switch to pretty much exclusively the coterie diapers. We've tried so many. I'm so grateful we got so many at my baby shower. So we kind of finally got through those, and it was time to decide which ones we were going to start purchasing on our own. And while they are a little more expensive, they're honestly the softest ones that we tried. And I feel like the quality is really there, so it was worth it to us. So I'm stocking those up. And as for the wipes, we did try the coterie wipes as well. And don't get me wrong, they are hands down the thickest, most high quality wipes that I've personally tried. However, if you are debating on, splurging a little more on the diapers or the wipes, I personally would choose the diapers. And then for the wipes, I did find another brand on Amazon that I really like. They're definitely not as thick, but I think they get the job done. And they're also 99% water, which I find very important. So I'll have those linked below as well. And we did have some diapers that he had grown out of. Some of them are still in the original packaging. Some of them weren't. But I am in that stage of life where so many of my friends are also having babies. So I'm putting those aside so I can give those to my friends who have babies that are younger than Louis or that are expecting babies soon. And then the nursery's clean. And it is such a refreshing feeling, even though I know I'll be back here to clean it probably in less than a day. Now, moving on to the kitchen. I actually thought I was coming down to a complete disaster. When I went upstairs, the sink had like a mile high of different dirty dishes and stuff. And I thought Tim was just downstairs playing with Louis, but turns out he was entertaining him by having him wash the dishes. So that was a nice surprise to come down to. And now that Tim and I had swapped, he was getting some computer work done and it was time for me to watch Louis. He was not happy in his Bjorn anymore. So I popped on my Wild Bird carrier. I love this. They sent it to me a little while ago. And when I'm getting stuff done around the house, I love wearing him in this. I'm not going to lie and say that it is easy to clean while wearing a baby, but that has nothing to do with the carrier. I think it's just the fact that I have a baby attached to me. It does make it a little more difficult to like bend down and reach for stuff. And I definitely am not going to be doing dishes while wearing him because I just get his back soaking wet. But for walking around, getting little tasks done, it is so convenient. And he was very, very content.
If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better, yeah. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better.
Now moving on to the living room, and if you have a baby, let me know, is your baby the same? Where I feel like he gets bored in any one location after a little while. Like he was in his Baby Bjorn bouncer, then he was in the carrier, then he was doing tummy time, and each time he's there for like maybe 20-25 minutes until he decides that he's going to get fussy until he gets moved somewhere else. I brought him back to Tim, so Tim was watching him, which is why if you notice I popped headphones in. I will never wear headphones while I am the one primarily watching Louie, just so that I can obviously hear, but I do love cleaning with headphones, so it was nice to hand him off for a little while and get some cleaning done while I could just have my headphones in. Now, kind of a continuation of where is Louie going to go next? Where does he want to hang out next? It was now time for Louie to take a nap. He pretty much I think he was a little overdue. And one of his favorite places to nap is in his Snuggle Me on the couch with this little blanket. Of course, I won't leave him there if I'm not in the room, or like watching him. But I got him all cozy. He fell asleep. And then I was clearing off this chair. That way Callie could get all cozy over there. And then we can go finish making the couch. I'm sorry if this gets repetitive because I feel like I ask it almost every video, but I just always love to know, what are you doing while you watch? Are you cleaning along with me, maybe doing laundry, or are you just like having your morning coffee, getting ready for the day? I don't know. I'm just curious, what are you doing while you're watching? But whatever you're doing, I hope that you're being motivated. And I just want to say that I really, really appreciate you choosing to hang out with me while you're doing whatever you're doing. Now, I know that I may not know you personally, but I do want to say that I am so genuinely proud of you and everything that you are pushing through to do. I honestly don't think that people tell other people that they're proud of them enough, and we don't always get the recognition that maybe we deserve. Whatever it is that you've been really pushing towards, whether it's work, you're a mom, a dad, an aunt, an uncle, a grandparent, or maybe it's with your job or just your home and trying to make your home more of a cozy place, for an enjoyable place for you to be in. Whatever it is that you've been putting a lot of effort into lately, I'm very proud of you, and you should be very proud of yourself. And also, a little takeaway from this is to make sure you're telling other people that you're proud of them. I don't think that I tell the people that I love and am proud of that enough, so I want to make a conscious effort to do that more. And this is your sign to reach out to somebody who you know has really been putting in a lot of effort lately, and let them know that you're thinking of them, you see them, you recognize all the effort that they're putting in, and that you're proud of them. Seeing my living room all clean and cozy with the Christmas lights, it just makes my heart genuinely smile. So I'm so happy that that's done. And now moving on, I typically would use my mini portable vacuum to vacuum the stairs, but it wasn't charged and I really wanted my stairs to be clean. And then thankfully my sheets were finally done. So once we finish vacuuming, we're going to head in the bedroom to make the bed. Truly one of the most elite feelings in the world to me is getting into bed after a long day and you have a clean set of sheets, you just showered, washed your hair. And I personally am a bamboo sheet lover. I've been using them for years and I don't ever see myself going back. Don't forget to check out Quince. I will have links to all the pieces that I share down below. I cannot tell you how much I love this brand. And I've been buying from them from well before I started working with them. And I have no doubt that they're going to be one of my staple places to get clothes for years to come. So thank you so much again, Quince, for working with me on this video. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you're still getting stuff done and you want to continue being productive together, I will have some playlists linked above me because I have a ton more videos like this. And if you are new, I'd love to have you subscribe and stick around. Love you, bye.